Hi, my name is Edith. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Introducing the Zero Shaver Pro, revolutionizing the way you shave. In the realm of personal grooming, the Zero Shaver Pro stands as a pinnacle of innovation, redefining the shaving experience for men and women alike. Unveiling an exceptional blend of cutting-edge technology, ergonomic design, and unparalleled performance. This revolutionary grooming tool promises to transform your daily shaving routine into a seamless and gratifying ritual, designed with meticulous attention to detail. The Zero Shaver Pro boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic that is as pleasing to the eye as it is comfortable to hold. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure grip and effortless maneuverability, allowing for precise shaving across various contours and body areas. Whether it's your face, legs, underarms, or any other part of your body, the Zero Shaver Pro adapts to your needs. At the heart of its brilliance lies advanced shaving technology that ensures an exceptionally close and smooth shave. Equipped with precision-engineered cutting elements, including ultra-thin blades and microcombs, the Zero Shaver Pro effortlessly glides over your skin, capturing even the finest and shortest of hairs. This technology not only delivers impeccable results, but also reduces the risk of nicks, cuts, and skin irritation, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. Do you want to earn an extra income from the comfort of your home? Just visit tryhomebase.com for more info. One of the standout features of the Zero Shaver Pro is its versatility. It offers customizable settings to cater to different hair types and shaving preferences. Whether you're looking for a quick dry shave or a more luxurious wood shave with your favorite shaving cream or gel, the Zero Shaver Pro adapts to your routine, delivering consistently remarkable results. Incorporating state-of-the-art battery technology, the Zero Shaver Pro boasts an extended battery life that ensures uninterrupted grooming sessions. The convenient LED display keeps you informed about the battery status, eliminating any unexpected interruptions during your grooming routine. In a world where time is of the essence, the Zero Shaver Pro also shines with its time-saving efficiency. Its high-speed motor and efficient shaving mechanism significantly reduce the time you spend on grooming, allowing you to focus on the things that truly matter.